Hey crowd, what's up? Molarity Man here. You know, superhero extraordinaire, savior to the city. In this episode, you'll see me trying to solve a crime as a friend of mine gets attacked in an attempt of murder. Skills of finding Molarity will be demonstrated. So, enjoy and be the good detective scientist that I know you are. Alright, so, I got a crime to solve here. But where is everyone? You know, they're probably right behind that door. Hang in there, Professor. Try not to bleed out so much, eh? Oh, where is Molarity Man? Molarity Man! That's right, officer. I'm here to save the day, and criminy! Officer Jones, is that Professor Brock on the floor? It sure is, Molarity Man. He's almost dead, eh? Someone knifed him viciously in the jugular vein and then proceeded to poison his bloodstream. The problem is, we don't know with what poison, and we don't know who did it.
Well, look who finally decided to show up. Yeah, we found him here in his office about 20 minutes ago, obviously attacked.
We feel like we could identify the attacker if we find the molarity of this unknown substance that's in his blood, eh? By the way, this was left here. It's a flask of something. We feel like it could be the poison. Throw it here, officer. Be careful. It's possible that it's explosive. Whoa! 2 holes in one night? Not good. Sorry about that. We'll all be. It's cyanide. Just as I suspected. Alright guys, this will be easy. Being a man of molarity, this is right up my alley.
What are you gonna do, Molarity Man? Have you already solved it?
Well, not yet. But I'm gonna solve it for you guys. I'm also gonna show you how to do it. Just give me 1 second. I gotta write this down somewhere. Got it. I'll use my laser beam eyes and engrave the equation into the wall. That way you'll be able to see a visual. Alright fellas, so here's the simple equation to find the molarity of a solution. You gotta set molarity, which is M, equal to moles of solute divided by liters of solvent. And then from there, you can put in your values and solve the equation. Officer Jones, please tell me how many moles of cyanide you got per liters of blood in the sample that you took earlier. Well, looks like we got about 1.2 moles of cyanide per 2.5 liters of blood. Alright, so 1.2 moles of cyanide is our solute, and 2.5 liters of blood is our solvent. You just gotta substitute in the values to the equation. And if I may, using my powers, I'm gonna write it up here on this wall. Check it out. I put 1.2 moles of CN, which is cyanide, on the top, and 2.5 liters of CaHAO3, which is a fancy way for saying blood, on the bottom. Now, does anybody have a calculator? What the heck? I'm scaredy.
What's going on?
Alright, that's enough.
The lights went out. What the heck just happened? Power shortage? And what the blue blazes is that?
Oh my gosh, somebody just tagged it all. I don't even remember what the values were.
Don't worry about it. I got it all right here on my calculator. Alright, 1.2 divided by 2.5. By Jove, 0.048.
Great Scott, that means the molarity is 0.048. 0.048. I recognize that number. I know who the killer is. Funny you should mention killer, eh? Professor Brock's heartbeat just stopped. Professor Brock, are you really dead? Great Barrier Reef! Who is the heartless scum who could perform such a dastardly deed? Well, you were about to tell us right before Professor Brock died. I was? Oh, well, let's see here. I should have known all along. It's Lady Red. She gave away the biggest clue. 0.048 liters of chloride is all she needs to complete this new deadly dangerous chemical. Professor Brock's her lab partner. He knew she was gonna steal it. That's why she killed him. That must be where she's going right now. The lab. Quick, Officer Jones. Chief, get the full police force. Meet me down at the Chemistry Interest Incorporated office building. We got us a criminal to catch. Wow, Chief, was it really a woman that killed Professor Brock?
You bet your little Canadian make believe that it is. Now, come on. Molarity Man's right. We got a criminal to catch.
Where is it? Aha! I believe it's time to rise to the occasion. Good try, good guard, but I'm afraid you're too late. I have what I came for, and I just don't have time to chat.